Hi guys, this is Niaz. In this video I gonna cover how to enable data layer on your Shopify store. No need any paid app, third-party tool or any other coding language. It's totally free. We have to do a couple of things. First of all, we have to go Shopify admin panel, then click online store. Click three dot, edit code, and we have to go snippet section, add a new snippet, copy this name and paste it here. Done. And copy the whole code and paste it here and replace GTM code and save. We have to go theme.liquid page and copy this portion of code and paste it before the closing head. Here you can see closing head and paste, save it. Then we have to go Shopify checkout page, checkout and account, copy the whole code and paste it here. We have to replace the GTM code, paste it and save. All thing done. Now we have to check data layer working or not. Click preview, connect, and click this product, click tag assistant, here we can see data layer working. If we click view item event, here data layer working. So finally we can see data layer working.